Miley Cyrus shares update on godmother Dolly Parton after the country singer's health challenges. Miley is sharing an update on her godmother Dolly Parton's health. The singer spoke about Dolly Parton and how she has been doing after the country singer said she faced some healthy challenges earlier this year. We're going to have comments saying quick recovery. Then we get to find out that why isn't Dolly Parton coming out to clear the air about her own health. Remember, we all know that Dolly is an incredible woman, young lady, and the way she loves her fans, it will be very, very delightful for her to come and say something.